Salesforce Subscription Management makes it easy to offer self-service and monetize subscriptions through any customer channel. Business managers can create and update their product catalog and pricing in one place, and easily integrate that information into any digital experience, like a storefront, Slack thread, or in-app experience, growing revenue across all channels. Customers can buy on demand, making a purchase with the subscription frequency they want, and easily get in touch with their account team when they have questions or requests. With subscription management, businesses can offer new ways for the customer to purchase, giving customers more flexibility to buy what they want on any portal they want, growing revenue on new channels and maximizing profitability on existing ones. Every customer transaction and interaction is captured in Salesforce, so teams never miss a beat. Businesses can manage the entire end-to-end lifecycle with a unified view of the customer. With Einstein, account teams always know the best offers to share. And with a seamless integration with Slack, the entire product-to-payment process is automated, making it as easy as 1, 2, 3 to deliver the best end-to-end experience to your customers. Manage the complete subscription journey from any self-service channel with Salesforce.